tomorrow will be better. This is the question here on the geometry. Clearly we can see a figure consisting of a square down here and then some sort of a triangle up there. And the question says find P. So find the area of the triangle. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. Having observed that this is a square and we are given the area of the square, let's represent the sides of this square by say x. Alright, so if this is really a square and then this is x, it means this is also x, this is another x, and the last x here. Now we have the area of the square which has been given. Let us recall the area, the formula for area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side square, side all square, which in this case is going to be x all square. And they say, but this area of the square has been given as 64. This means x squared is equal to 64. Okay, why are we looking for the side of this? This is because the area of a triangle is given by half its base times its height. If we are able to find the side of the square, then we can obtain the information required to calculate the area of the triangle. Okay, so from here we can therefore say it means x. Be careful here not to come and say to find x divide both sides by 2, because 2 here is not a factor, it's not a coefficient. 2 here is an index. Okay, so we raise the reciprocal of this index or the inverse of this index, which is a half. Okay, so take the square root on both sides, 64. So x is going to be plus or minus 8 meters. But here is going to be 8 because we are talking about the length of a side. So length cannot be negative. We're just looking at the magnitude, okay, of this value. So which is 8 meters. Now, knowing that the side here is 8, how can we obtain this height? Let's start by recalling the area for a triangle. Area of triangle is half times base and times height. Dear friends, it's important to obtain or to retain all the areas of the plane figures. A rectangle, a triangle, a square, a circle, trapezium, and all of that. You have to know the area of all these plane figures. Alright, so this set we will say the base. What is the base? This is the base here. Base is equal to 8 meters. Now what is the height? Height of the triangle is going to be equal to 14, because the height is just this section from here to here. Okay, so that height is going to be equal to 14 minus 8, which is nothing else but 6 meters. Therefore, area of this triangle is going to be given by half times base 8 and times area, or rather times height 6. So area of the triangle will be this times this, and then divided by 3. We punch correctly. This should give you 24 meters square. Never forget your units, guys, because it's important, because tomorrow will certainly be better.